Hey guys, how's it going? It's David Schwartz, Field Realty, Schwartz Sells Homes. I am so excited today to be in Loudonville, New York, just steps away from Southgate Elementary. I'm bringing to market my newest listing, 22 Nob Hill Road. Come on in, let's take a look. So what did you guys think? Do you have any questions? Would you like to set up a private showing? If so, give me a call today at 518-369-1359. And remember, whether you're buying, selling, or investing, don't forget to use the Schwartz because Schwartz sells homes. Take care, guys.